Right, Jane, right.
Ma'am, 30 minutes of the class and 30 minutes of quiz, ma'am, please.
Today, okay, we'll see that. Where we are in decimals, right? Well, let me go.
Yeah, ma'am, we have to start decimals. Ma'am,
Yes, ma'am.
we have to start decimals, right?
Yeah, decimals we will start right now.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, let me give a reminder because very less strength. Why so?
Ma'am, they think they have not read it correctly, ma'am, and I think they are thinking that today is no class.
Yes, ma'am. You told for 7:30. Some people did not saw it. So they're waiting for 700. So it's not came. So they're thinking no class.
No, I kept a message that it was supposed to join, right?
Good evening, ma'am.
Very good evening, Daksh.
Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, good evening, Nana. Rishikesh.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in yesterday's home.
Manish,
And today's class also only 6 members joined.
okay.
Yes, ma'am. I have a doubt in yesterday's home.
Homework part. Okay, shall we see that part? What is the homework given by me? Can you please read that?
Yes, ma'am. You gave some square roots, ma'am. I did not understand it.
Okay, yesterday homework part, no? You're asking about.
Yeah, ma'am, square root.
17th question.
Question number 7.
And the 18th one is somewhat like rational numbers. 18th and 19th.
Okay, let me see. Yesterday homework it is? Is
Yes,
it
ma'am.
yesterday homework?
Yesterday's 17th question. Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Ma'am, it's 17th one. Ma'am, the next one. 17th.
Ma'am, it's 8th class, ma'am. I'm
Yeah.
CT 8 2022 23.
Okay, that's why I'm watching. No, yesterday 7th means fractions and decimals.
17th, ma'am, 17th.
Fractions and decimals.
Ma'am, should I share the screen?
One thing, yeah, that's fine. You can. 1 minute, then I'll allow you to just.
Ma'am, you can open the WhatsApp group and show there.
Yeah, I just allowed. Can you please share your screen? Ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, you can.
See that. What is that special question?
Yes, ma'am.
The students are facing difficulty. Let me see.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, can you see the screen now?
Manish, children, okay, I should stop. Right. Yeah, I can.
Yeah.
There is,
Now?
Manish, I did not see you right now.
Now, can you see?
Children, are you able to see Manish's screen?
No, ma'am.
Manish, I think we are
Ma'am, there's no screen.
Yeah, we are not able to see Manish.
Oh, ma'am, let me allow Zoom to share the screen.
Yeah, ma'am, you have to allow
Wise
Zoom
and
to
Zoom
share.
are not allowed. Ma'am, can you now see the screen?
Yep.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, we can't see any screen.
Manish. Right now we can see.
Yes, ma'am, now it came.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to allow Zoom. You have to allow Wise.
Yes, ma'am, this question 17th one.
Okay. Oh, square root question. Okay. No, condition. That is a case based. Case was given. square root of 3481 is nothing but 59 is given. Then you're supposed to find the values. Okay, very good.
Yes,
question.
ma'am, but we don't know about
Yeah,
square root.
yeah.
Ma'am?
No need because we
Ma'am,
have.
can you send this material? Ma'am,
Let-
can you send
okay.
this
Already
material?
shared in WhatsApp group.
Why is that?
Okay, Rishikesh. I will ask sir to post the same thing in your
No, ma'am, it's already shared in WhatsApp group.
WhatsApp. Okay, Google Classroom.
Share.
No, ma'am.
This is wait, Nana.
Yes,
See
ma'am.
children, here 3481 square root of 3481. 59 multiplied with 59, we can write it as 59 square. So 59 square is nothing but 3481. If you multiply 59 into 59 two times, you will get 3481. Square, that is square number. A square root, if you want, you can do both sides. You can square and the square root get cancelled. So the value of square root of 3481 gives 59. This is first case. It is given in your question. Coming to your answer part, square root of 34.81. You see children, if you take this, we can write it as 5.9. 5.9 square. You can just 5.9 into 5.9. Can you multiply with 5.9 into 5.9, Rishikesh, and give me an answer? 5.9 multiplied with
Yes, ma'am.
5.9.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Ma'am,
Is
calculator
it
I'll send you in chat.
34.84? Please, 81, please check it. Yeah, this is really interesting question. Very good question.
Ma'am, it's what? Ma'am, 5.9 into 5.9.
5.9 multiplied with 5.9.
Okay, ma'am.
5.9 multiplied with 5.9.
Ma'am, it's 34.81 only, ma'am.
Very good. Now 0.59 multiplied with 0.59 you can do now.
Ma'am, 0.59 into 0.59 is also 0.3481.
Very good. Now 0.059 multiplied with 0.059 you can do. Manish, really it's a wonderful question, Manish. If you can stop share so that I can help this question on screen.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, the answer is, ma'am, 0.059 multiplied with 0.059 is 0.003481. Ma'am?
Host disabled participants screen sharing once.
Ma'am, you are not the host, ma'am.
Now Manish should give a permission to me.
Manish
Ma'am,
have to
I did
make
not
you
do
host.
anything.
Go,
I did not do
ma'am, you can
anything.
go to participant. Ma'am, you can go to
Ma'am, you
participants
can
and
go to
write.
participants option and you can make yourself as host.
Ma'am,
No,
I-
ma'am, there would be right click mute instead of mute me or unmute me, ma'am. There would be reclaim host, ma'am. You can do that, ma'am, and you will
Yeah.
get it. And Rishikesh has yellow teeth from the background.
What I have to do.
Good
Ma'am?
Let me see. Yes, I can share right now.
Ma'am, I did not did anything but
Yeah. No need, Nana. I got. Good. Really, it's really one interesting question. Definitely, you will score the mark in even such a question. So, what is the question, Nana? Square root of
3.7.
3481 is equal to 59.
3.481 is
One is equals
this
to
is
59.
condition, Nana. This is condition given. This is the clue box given to you.
Yes.
Based on this clue, you need to find the value of 34.81 square root. Is it plus, children? Every time plus, right? 0 point
Yes, ma'am.
0.3481
and
and
0
0.00.
003481. Really wonderful question, children. You see, this is
I also have doubt in this one.
very good. Really, it's an interesting question too. Because the same method, if you get other question, you can answer right now. This is clue given in your question only. They gave clue. This value, square root of this value is nothing but 59. That means if you multiplied 59 with 59, you will get a 3, 4.
Ma'am, I've got the answer. Ma'am, I've got the answer, ma'am.
59, if you write an exponential form, repeated multiplication, we can write as an exponential form. It's 3481. If I do square root on both sides, what happened? This square and root get cancelled. And the square
Ma'am, 34.81 square root is 5.9 and 0.3481 square root is 0.59 and 0.003481 square root is 0.059. So when we add all of them, we get.
Yes, that is the 3. See, children, by looking this 34.81, almost the digits are very same here. 3481, 3481. Only decimal point is happening. That means here 2 decimal places you have means half of 2 means you will get 1 in square root number. Always, children, if they are getting that is one clue, children, for you. This is one clue. But here the whole part you have 2 decimal places. If you do square root means definitely half of 2 whole parts become 1 whole. So it's nothing but 5.9. This is nothing but 5.9 whole square you can write here and use your square root. This is after decimal places you have R4, so that we need to have 0.59 because point after 2 decimal places makes in square root 4 decimal places. So that is another thing. And here there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That means you are going to get 3 decimal places in your number, 0.59 whole square. Now you can apply this square and root get cancelled, children. Square and root get cancelled. Square and root get cancelled. 5.9 plus 0.59 plus 0.059. If you add up these all things, Dipti, 1 minute, Dipti, I can help you. Just a minute, Dipti. 5.9, 0.59, 0.059. If you add up, the value is 5 plus 9, 14, 10, 15. Yes, it is 6. This you will learn. Actually, this is concept was 8th class. Squares and square roots you will get in class 8. But based on clue, you can try, children. You can think. Any doubt, Manish, here?
No, ma'am, but where in which cases this square
Clearly,
root
this is
value?
extra because the level is a little more, not from your level. So this squares and square roots from your class 8 children, not from class 6. But even though based on this clue, you can.
Ma'am, but this is class 7.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Yes,
I have a doubt.
Deepti.
Ma'am, why does root and square get cancelled?
Always these are vice versa. What is we can say? How I can supposed to say? 1 minute. The word exact word what I can give.
Ma'am, like opposite.
Exactly opposite. That means inverse. You will get a reverse to that action. So square root of number. How I can say this? One meaning, children. Let me give. Suppose this is A and this is 1 by A. What is 1 by A's reciprocal is? 1 by A's reciprocal is?
A by 1.
A by 1. That is A you are getting. That means quite a similar. These are the squares and square roots are some opposite type of situations.
Yes, ma'am.
You will learn these things in your
Ma'am, like how
class.
addition and subtraction will be
Square
and square root.
Addition of your decimal numbers, you know very well. Only the thing you need to think here. No need of thinking much part also, children. This is already given in our clue box. 3489 square root was 59. But here decimal places are given. By looking only, you can hear 2 decimal places you have. That means in your square root number, you will get only one place, one decimal place. That means where you should keep decimal point 5.9. So suppose here you have 4 decimal places. That means point after 1, 2, 3, 4 places you have. Half of that, 4 half means how many decimal places you will get in your square root? 2. 2, half of that, 2. 2 means 0 point, we have only 2-digit number. So I can just, before 2 digits, I can put a decimal point. So 0.59 I can write. Next, coming to the third part, there are 6 decimal places. Half of 6 means how much, Nana?
3.
3. But we have only 2 numbers. What I can place here? What I can place? 0. 0. See, children, 59 is nothing same as 059. Yes or no? Both are same. So, but according to our condition, in square root, I have 6 decimal places. When I'm removing the square root, so I get only 3 decimal places. 0 point, half of that. 4 I have means in square root, I will get 2 decimal places. There are only 2 means I will get 1. Sometimes you can get a doubt. Ma'am, there are even numbers, you can make it as half. Suppose odd number of numbers will happen. How you can do? That you can learn in your class 8 children. But in this class, I think no, they won't give to you. This is only above your level. But of course,
Yes, ma'am.
wonderful question, really good question. Dipti, hope you understood, Dipti.
Where did you find these questions, ma'am?
Ma'am,
Dipti?
ma'am, I did not understand, ma'am. I did not understand why we cancel.
Why way?
Ma'am, why we cancel?
See. Suppose I will go with a small number because I won't take such a big number. 2 multiplied with 2 is how I can write, my dear? 4.
4.
4. 4.
4,
So
ma'am.
can I write it as 2 square as 4?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
2 square. If I'm doing a square root on both sides. If I'm doing square root on both sides, square and root get cancelled. 2 equal to root 4.
Ma'am, my doubt is why 2 and root square and root, why they are cancelled?
No, square and square root are quite opposite things, ma. We can make it as cancel, right? Square root means, what is the meaning of square root? Let me help. Because you are too young. You can make
Ma'am, can
it
we
as,
cancel 4 square root?
no, square root. This meaning is you can make that number exponential half.
Like the number, if 4 is inside the square root, we can make it as 2.
Yes.
Okay,
So now
ma'am.
2 to get cancelled. Very good. This is really level from your extra level. But you can, if you can think, you can understood. Suppose a 3 square. 3 into 3 can be written as 9. 3 into 3 can be written as 9. 3 square is 9. Square root, if I applied a square root on both sides, how we are multiplying in fractions the same number with both sides, we can do square root on both sides. Square and root get cancelled here. How square and root get cancelled means 3 square. Square root can be written as whole power 1 by 2. This 2 into 1 by 2 means it's make cancelled and it's become 3. So 3 is written as square root 9. Like that 4 square is 16. Square root of 4.
Yes, ma'am. 4 square is 16.
Yeah,
Square
ma'am.
root of 16. So 4 is, we can write it as square root
16.
of 16.
Square root of 16.
Yes, ma'am. Hope you understood, my dear.
Ma'am, like that only 100 means 100 is the square of 10, ma'am. So we can write 10 as a
Very
square
good.
root
Very
of,
good. Square root of
we can write 10 as
100
100
is 10.
square root.
Square root of 100 is 10. Very good. This you can try in your home, children, because 1 square, square root of 1 is only root
1, ma'am.
1 only.
Ma'am, and we can also take 95 square 9025, ma'am. So we can write 95 is the square root of 9025.
Exactly. So 3 can be written as root 9. 4 can be written as root
And the
6.
square and square root are related to each other, ma'am.
Exactly.
If we understand square, we may understand square root.
Exactly. 6 can be written as root 36. Why? Because the square root means is nothing but exponent is half. No.
Okay, ma'am, let's go with decimals now, ma'am.
Okay, shall we move ahead?
Ma'am, it's like 4 times 4 is equals to 16. 5 times 5 is equals to
So yes, it's
25.
square numbers. Those are square numbers.
Oh.
Square
Ma'am,
numbers.
today's class is till 8:30, no, ma'am?
No. Today's class till
Yeah.
8:30.
Okay, ma'am.
Just in case I told ma'am, let's do this work until 8 o'clock and
Any doubt,
8:30.
children, in this question, please?
Yes, ma'am,
This is
I
most.
have a doubt. I have,
Deepti, hope your doubt is clarified, Deepti.
ma'am, I have another doubt, ma'am.
Yes, Deepti, please.
Ma'am, exponent means 1 by 2, ma'am.
Exponent means not exponent means 1 by 2. See, children, if any, suppose repeated multiplication, suppose 2, I can repeatedly written as 5 times. 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied. This repeated multiplication I can write in an exponential form. How I can write 2? How many times repeated?
2, ma'am, 5.
5 times. So I can write it as 2 to the power 5. 2 to the power 5. Here 2 can be called it as base, and this 5 can be called it as exponent or power or index. So these are the 3 names for this: index, exponent or power. Teacher can use any one of these.
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Okay,
then,
ma'am.
then why do we use 1 by half?
In this case, square root means square root of 4. Square root of 4 is nothing but sorry, 2
It's
into 2.
scale.
Dipti,
Yes, ma'am.
Dipti, you listen, Dipti, you have to see here 2 into 2. It's nothing but 4. So if I applied square root on both sides, so that means 2 square. Square root means your exponent is 1 by 2, my dear. Your exponent is 1 by 2. Now this can be written as 2 into 2 to the power. Power means exponential form. So here 2 and 2 get cancelled. 2 to the power 1 is 2 only. So root 2 can be written as root 4. Root 3 can be written as root 9. Root 5 can be written as root 25. Like that we can write the things. Still any doubt, Deepti?
No, ma'am, I understand.
This class 8 you can learn, children. First we will go with the squares and what is exponent, what is the base, what is loss of exponents. You have different loss of exponents too. Don't worry, we will discuss one by one. What is left here? You can go with the just a
Ma'am, let's start.
wait, Jane. Such a questions if anywhere there we can.
Ma'am, I have a doubt in the worksheet, ma'am.
Ma'am, I told that.
Ma'am, are we going to do a quiz, ma'am?
No. We are going with some more challenging questions. Because see how beautiful question was asked by children. If you're not going to ask, even I can neglect. So that is the intention. Very good. We can discuss such a difficulty level questions in the classroom so that
Ma'am, I have a doubt in the worksheet you gave.
worksheet only I'm opening just a minute now.
Ma'am, and what are rational numbers?
Rational numbers are in the form of P by Q, like fractions only. But in fractions, we didn't have only the positive numbers. So that means numerator and denominator are, we are using only positives. That means like whole numbers we are using, natural numbers we are using. Whereas rational numbers, you have integers also. Numerator and denominator can be any integer. Denominator should not be equal to 0. It is like fractions. You remember it is like fractions. Whereas in fractions, we are getting numerator and denominators are positives. And even rational numbers, maybe it is positive, maybe negative, but only the condition denominator should not be equal to 0.
Yeah, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Right.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, we got 2 questions, rational number questions in the yesterday's worksheet.
Okay. Let me go with worksheet. They're asking this to minute. Really, this type of interesting questions we're supposed to
ma'am.
look at the answers. So that question number, which question mark? Doubt, Deepthi?
Ma'am, first question, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, 18th and 19th are rational numbers.
15th one, Deepthi?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's none of these.
Ah, very good.
Is it none of the
ma'am.
Very good.
Ma'am, I wanted to
See,
ask that question.
Which of the following options represent 8 shaded parts? If you look at this, there are 4, 5, 6 only. If you look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 only. If you look at this, 2, 4, 6 only. So answer was none of this, Deepthi.
Okay, ma'am. I also kept that option only, ma'am. But
Yeah, correct, Deepthi. You're correct. Because
Ma'am,
there
can
are-
we do 18th and 19th questions?
yes, Manish, we can.
Yes, ma'am.
The product,
This one.
very good. I'll appreciate
Ma'am,
Manish.
I'm asking you to send this material, ma'am.
Because
This has already been sent in the WhatsApp group.
ma'am, the answer is option B, ma'am.
I will share, children. Don't worry, I will share. The product of two rational numbers.
Ma'am, share this material in WhatsApp also, ma'am.
Sure, Nana, I will share. Because this sir is asking to not away.
Okay.
So instead of doing for the children giving a lot of stuff at a time, we can discuss.
Ma'am, because I also want to
If
do
you
the
want,
questions
I
which
can
you have
post
not
it, children,
told
don't
us,
worry.
ma'am. That's why.
Last year also we updated in Google Classroom. This year I don't know why still they are not uploaded. I will post. The product of two rational numbers is minus
You
33
can
by
only
78.
post.
One of the number is 15 by 22. Then find the other rational number. See, children, I said just now like a fractions only. Product of two rational numbers is given. One of the number was 15 by 22. You need to find the other number. It's like a simple thing. Suppose product means what, children? Product of two numbers.
Ma'am, multiplication.
Very good. Multiplication. Two numbers is given. They gave product already given in your text. Suppose if I'm taking A and B, two numbers, the product is how much it is given, children, in our question. What is the given in question?
Minus 33 by 78.
Ma'am, A is minus 33.
No, product was given minus 33 by 70. Minus 33 by
7.
77.
8, ma'am. 78.
78. One of the number, anything you can take either A or B, one of the number. A should be, I am taking as A. What is A value, children?
15
Minus
by
33.
15 by
15 by
22.
22. Suppose I know, suppose I thought it is A. A value I know. I just replaced in place of A as 15 by 22. I don't know B. I should find out B value. And this was given 33 by 78. Children, this is like a simple equation. You need to solve it. Here it is multiplied. If you transpose to other side, this multiplication becomes comes under division. Multiplication.
Division.
So I want only B value. I supposed to send this complete portion to other side. Minus 33 by 78 divide with 15 by.
Divided by
Ma'am, we
15
should
by
change the sign as multiplication and write
Very
minus
good. Very good. Excellent.
minus 33 divided by 17 multiplied by
22 by 15.
multiplied by 22 by 15.
Now you can simplify, children. Now you can simplify. Come on, please do simplification. Please do simplification, children. So if you don't know any
Okay, ma'am.
table, go with the 3 table here. 3 5s are 15. 3 11s.
Okay, ma'am.
11. Minus 11.
Now,
Ma'am, can we do and can we send in chat,
Ma'am,
ma'am?
Ma'am,
two
shouldn't
table,
the
Nana.
11 become minus 11?
Minus 11 only, Nana. Minus 1. 2 1s are 2 3s are 6 to 9 times. Now numerator we are left over with the minus 11 into 9
9 times
and the
39.
denominator left over with the 39 into 5. Come on, children, please do it.
39 into 5.
Minus over.
Oh,
Ma'am, minus 11 into 11 will be, ma'am, it's minus 121.
Yes,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
minus 121 by, ma'am, minus 121 by 195.
Excellent.
Yes, ma'am.
Excellent. Excellent. That is the speed of the See, children, 10
Ma'am, minus 121 by
Nana, you need to
195.
learn these squares also, Nana. Till 25, you have to be thorough. 1 square is 1. 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 20. 4 square is 16. 5 square is 25. 6 square, 36. 7 square, 49. 8 square,
56.
huh? 8 square, Nana.
Yes, ma'am. 64.
64.
Ma'am, 64.
9 square,
81.
80.
10 square,
81.
10
100.
100.
Now 11 square,
120.
121.
12 square,
21.
12 square,
144.
Ma'am, 144.
Oh, ma'am.
13 square,
150.
Ma'am, 19. No.
116. 14 square,
Ma'am, it's 196.
196, ma'am.
15 square,
225.
16 square,
225.
Ma'am, 16 square. Ma'am, it's 256.
very good. 17,
Ma'am, 16 square 256.
17 square,
Ma'am, 17 square. Ma'am, it's 289.
18 square,
Ma'am,
yes,
ma'am, I actually have one trick to find the squares for
come on. Please tell your,
ma'am, like 15 and 25, like that. I have one trick, ma'am.
yes.
I'm like 5 square will be 25,
That
no, ma'am.
is
So the
very
ending
easy.
number would be 25.
15 into 15 means we can just, this is, you just multiply these two
Ma'am,
numbers.
15, 25, 35, 45, 55, like that.
More easy,
The
ma'am.
numbers ending with 5, I have that square trick, ma'am.
That is very easy. I will 18 square I want, 19 square I want, 20 square. When I'm asking any time, you should give this all children. What is the value of 18 square? Still I'm waiting for your response. 19.
Ma'am, 18 square is,
I'm not sure 17 square is correct, children.
ma'am, 18 square is 329.
Ma'am, 19
Ma'am,
square.
9 square is 361.
361.
361, ma'am, 19 square.
Is it correct 17?
Ma'am, 17, it's correct only, ma'am.
18. Till 20, you should be keep in your mind, children. I always suggest my class 7 students till 25, you're supposed to be square numbers be thorough because it makes your further.
Ma'am, the numbers ending with, ma'am, the numbers ending with 5, that one trick I have, ma'am. Can I tell?
Ma'am, can we have
That
a
is
quiz,
one
ma'am?
interesting trick, children. Suppose I want 75 square. 75 square means 75 multiplied with 75. Simple technique, children. 5 5s are 25, you write. You just add one number to this. 7 plus 1
Yes, ma'am.
8.
Ma'am, that one only, ma'am.
8 7
Ma'am,
times.
7 plus 1 will be 8 and 7, 8, the 56, and 8, the square will be 5625.
Yeah. Just before we did one question, 59. So 59 square means no.
Ma'am, but
ends with-
59 square is,
No, end with 5 only. We
Ma'am.
can do this.
yeah, ma'am.
Units plus 5 only we can do. Like 15, 25, 35,
Yeah, ma'am.
55, 65.
Ma'am, you can use it. Ma'am, you can use this trick
This
only
log
with the
will
numbers
work.
ending with 5.
Your Brahma sir will teach you. And this tricks will teach you Brahma sir.
Ma'am, can you give us quiz, ma'am?
Yeah,
No,
ma'am.
some part, another question is also having doubt. 19th question.
Ma'am, after that question, can you give?
Yes, ma'am, 19th question.
Arrange the following rational numbers in descending order. What is the meaning of descending, children? What is the meaning? of
Big to small.
Very good. Big to small. By looking these all
Ma'am,
numbers. All different denominators we can see. You see?
Ma'am, I have an idea, ma'am.
Yes, sir. If
Ma'am,
you,
we can put the signs to numerators, ma'am.
very good. If you push
Ma'am.
signs to numerator, and in this case, both are
Ma'am.
you can cancel and you can write it as 3 by 5. Other cases, you can push up to signs as numerators. Very good. This
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good. Now, by comparing these two things, which is greater, Nana, which is very closer to 0?
Ma'am, it's
The
minus 4.
rule is
Ma'am, it's
Minus 4 by 15.
Descending means you need to write big first, then small. Which is
Yes,
small among all these? Negative integers are always small.
Ma'am, it's
7
minus
by
7 by
15
15.
and minus 4 by 15. And here you need to compare these two. To make as these two comparison, what you should do, you just make this as like fractions. How you supposed to make as a like, Nana? 3 by 5. How you can make as a like 5? What number makes you 30?
D is the correct option, ma'am.
Huh? 6.
D option, ma'am.
No, Nana. If you make as a 30, what number you should multiply here? 5 with
Ma'am, it's C, ma'am.
6. Very good. 6.
ma'am.
So 6 means this become numerator. 6 3s are 18. 18 is greater or 17 is greater, children?
18.
18, ma'am.
So 3 by 5 is the larger
3 by
fraction.
5.
Then 17 by 30. Then minus 4 by 15.
Minus 4 by 15 and last is minus 1 by 15.
Yes, like that you can write your descending order.
Ma'am, please, ma'am, can you give us quiz? It's already 8:10 now.
Ma'am, quiz, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, quiz.
What decimals you can do, children, because decimals are very important.
Ma'am, if you send this worksheet means we'll do, ma'am.
Today I will post, Nana. Today I will post complete worksheet. Please try it and
Ma'am, in WhatsApp?
no, in our group I will
Post in WhatsApp.
WhatsApp group only I will forward. Or
Okay.
else Google Classroom is ready, children, for you.
Ma'am, if you, ma'am, if possible, send it in three of the ma'am. Why is that Google Classroom and
I'm
WhatsApp?
asking about your Google Classroom is ready for you. You're able to
Yes,
see-
ma'am. Yeah, ma'am, we are able to access it.
so that Google Classroom I will update, Nana, today.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, you can update in the Google Classroom.
1 minute. Let me
Now
do
can
it.
you give quiz?
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, I can. Because there are wonderful questions. You can go with your free time, children.
Ma'am,
Yes. Yes.
ma'am, that day I, Zan, and some other people connected one quiz, no, ma'am.
Yeah. Who
We
got-
have done one quiz, no, ma'am.
very good. Who got the first rank? How many of you do well?
Ma'am, I'm telling that ma'am, I've captured it and I'm telling.
Okay. Shall I allow you to screen share?
Yes, ma'am.
It's Rishikesh, right? 1 minute, and I'm allowing you so that you can.
I'm begging for
Ashwat Reddy is not joining nowadays classes, right? So
that only I'm also thinking, ma'am. Nowadays,
the holidays.
ma'am, this is the rank, ma'am. Ma'am, I'm the first, Zain is second, Amat is third, and Sridhar
Very
is
good.
fourth.
Very good. Very good. All completed. Very good. Good, Nana. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Thought I should give quiz to you, right? 1 minute. Or else, can we discuss some more difficulty level questions? 1 or 2? Yes, sir.
Ma'am, we want a quiz, ma'am.
Yeah, ma'am.
No, children, some this type of
Yes,
questions.
ma'am, we can discuss those
Yes,
questions.
because quizzes anyway we are playing regularly. Today we will go with some challenging questions because it will.
Ma'am, or else can you give us some difficulty questions in for 5 more minutes and
You see,
afterwards?
this is what should be placed in the empty space so that the sum of the fractions on each side of the triangle is same. Come on,
Yes.
please. You are able to see my screen, children?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
no, ma'am, you have to share it, ma'am.
Okay, I did not share right now. 1 minute.
Ma'am, I have it out actually.
Yeah, Javali, please. Ma'am.
Ma'am, like I have a question actually.
Yes.
So it's your water bottle contains 5 1/4 liters of water. You drink 1 3/7 liters every hour. Do you have enough water to last 4 hours?
Nice question.
Not do you have enough water?
Yeah, that's your query, right? Can you please place your query to others who are there to take challenges in the class? Rishikesh,
Ma'am,
ready,
ma'am, what
Manish?
is the second number? Ma'am, what is the second one?
Once again, repeat your question, Javali.
Ma'am, tell
The
her
water
to
bottle
show us
con-
on screen, ma'am.
No need. Let her read the question. Yeah, please.
Your water bottle contains 4 liters of.
Okay.
You drink 1 3/7 liters every hour. Do you have enough water to last for 4 hours?
Huh. No, obviously no, because every
Ma'am,
1
no,
hour.
ma'am.
No, obviously no. Why? Because every 1 hour you are taking the 1 3/7, 1 3/7, 1
Ma'am, 1 3 by 7.
If the question will be how much water will you have for 4 hours? Means,
Yes, you can
we should
10 by
multiply it
7
by
is 4
1 3 by
liters, ma'am.
4 into 4 and
very good. Yes,
subtract it from.
exactly. Subtract from
Ma'am, ma'am, 4 into 1 3 by 7, ma'am.
this is nothing but 4 into
Ma'am, which is equal to 4 into 10 by 7.
10/7. So it's nothing but 40 by
40 by 7, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
so
40 by
4
7.
minus 4 liters minus 40 40/7 minus 40/7 minus 4.
Ma'am, 40 by 7 minus 4 by 1 means 7.
LCM was 7. 40
Times
minus
1 times
40.
7.
7 4
28. 28 minus 40 minus 28.
by 7. So
Ma'am, it will be 12 by 7. 12
yeah,
by 7.
this is the part you need to consider last.
Yes,
Javali,
yes ma'am.
nice question, Javali. Very good. Come on, children. Very good. Like that, you need. You can try.
Ma'am, actually, I did not hear the question.
Can you
And
repeat once
I
again,
just
Javali?
got the power up before the
1
question.
minute. Everyone, please mute. Javali, please repeat your question.
Yes, ma'am. Your water bottle contains 5 1 liters of water. You drink 1 3/7 liters every hour. Do you have enough water to last for
Ma'am,
4
I
hours?
think it's not 4 liters.
Yeah, she said the same. Water bottle has 4 liters.
Okay.
Ma'am, it's 5 1/4.
Water bottle has, what is the capacity of water bottle, ma? How 5 1/4?
5 1/4.
But you said earlier 4 liters.
Ma'am, I said if 4 hours, how many water?
Okay.
Water?
5 1 by.
5 1/4.
And then you need to subtract not from these children 4. You need to subtract.
Ma'am, I have to not subtract from that.
You need to do 20. 5 4s are 20. 21
21 by 4.
minus
Ma'am,
by 40/7.
so it will become 21 by 4 and
No, this is you should multiply.
1 3 by 7 will be.
Multiply because
Yeah, ma'am. Ma'am, 21 by 4 minus 40 by 7.
make as a like fractions. Correct.
Ma'am, times 7 times 7 times 4 times 4.
7 times
Ma'am, 7. Ma'am, 4 times 7 is 28, ma'am.
14 147 minus 160. 147 minus
147 minus 160. Ma'am, it's minus 13.
minus 13 by
Minus 13 by 28.
28. This is the deficiency water number. Yes, Javali. After 4 hours.
Ma'am, can you give us quiz? Ma'am, it's 18.
1 minute. We are going with question number 12. Please think your question number 12. Yes, question number 12, please.
Ma'am, I did not understand it. What is that?
Manish, the question was, you have in your water bottle, this is your
No,
water
ma'am, the
bottle.
triangle one. Triangle question.
Triangle question. Okay, what
Yes.
should be placed in the empty space so that the sum of the fractions on each side of the
Ma'am?
triangle is same?
Means like 1/15, 5/15, and 5/15 is equal to 1, and 2/15
Ma'am, 1 by 15, 5 by
standard
15, 5 by 15, 4 by 15, 2 by
equal-
15 is equal to what means? So, ma'am, ma'am, I think we have to do like this, ma'am. 1 by 15 and 5 by 15. If we add, we'll get 6 by 15. So, it's 6 by 15.
Same, sides are same. Sides are same means you can see which is more easier. That way you can go. Very easiest. This is
Ma'am,
one side.
means
This is
ma'am,
one.
and this side, if what fraction will be add will be the 11/15. 15.
This is one side, this is another side, this is third side for your triangle. This one we don't know. This is we don't know. So here 1 plus 2 is 3 by 15. But if you add up here 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. 11 here 3.
Ma'am, we should add 8 by 15.
Yes, very good. It's 8 by 15.
Say
Manish, if you see, if you add up all the sides, the sum should be same.
Okay, ma'am. I understand.
Ma'am, because 15, 5 by 15 and 5 by 15 are 11 by 15 and 2, 4. Those also 11 by 15.
Yes, these are simple logical based questions like magic squares, magic triangle here. And which of the following figure is divided into 4 equal parts?
A.
Ma'am, now can you give us a quiz, please?
Ma'am, A and D.
ma'am. D, only D, ma'am.
A and D.
A and D.
Why can't B and C, children?
Ma'am, could you
Ma'am,
please give us a quiz?
Those are unequal parts, not equal parts. Good.
Ma'am, can you give us a quiz, please, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. Give us quiz.
Okay. I will stop and then.
Yeah, ma'am. Finally.